Hi everyone, I'm Max from Postcard Mania, and this is the PCM Integrations How-To series. In this video, I'm going to be going through step by step to show you how to set up your API account. What this means is that after completing this video with me, your API account will be ready for you to start connecting it up to your platform. For starters, you'll see that we're in the API docs, which of course you can find a link to on the PCM Integrations homepage. Once you've navigated there, to begin, you'll want to click on the highlighted text in the center of your screen that reads, "Register for your free PCM Integrations account." This will bring up a registration form where you'll type in your email, your password, your first and last name, your business's name, your phone number, and your business's address. After you've typed all that information in, you'll want to click on the Register Now button. Right, and that is going to bring us to a Terms of Service page. You're going to want to scroll through this Terms of Service and read it. Once you've done that, you'll click I agree to the Terms of Service. All right, this means you now have a PCM Integrations account. And to continue this setup, you'll see on the left under Settings, Info and Billing, and you'll want to click there. This is an important page because it contains some of your account settings. So as you'll see under account information, there's a place for your contact information and address. As well, if you scroll down, there's payment and billing. So I'm going to have you click add a new card because without a card on file, all your orders will be held up. And once you've added that, you'll click add a new card. Have you scroll down a bit to some other important settings, the budget settings. So as you can see, there are 4 types of budget settings. The first is to approve all orders manually. This would ensure that no orders get through that you don't personally approve, but it also means that your orders could get held up if you aren't actively approving them manually. The next option would be to set a monthly budget. This would mean that all your orders would be approved up to that monthly budget cap. Of course, after that, your orders would get held up. Then we have the same, but with a daily budget. And then this brings us to our most popular option, Automatically Bill Me, which ensures that all your orders are seamlessly fulfilled by Postcard Mania and that your card is billed automatically. And so I'm going to select that and then have you scroll back to Settings on the left and click Mailing Settings. This brings us to a page where you can enable 4 different settings on your account, and I'll go through them one by one so you understand what they mean. The first is Enable Address Verification, which, only applying to orders that contain one recipient, immediately verifies the address of that order as the order is made. This is a really popular service, so I'm going to have you click Enable Address Verification. All right, and so next is Duplicate Recipients. So checking this would allow you to send multiple orders to the same recipients, which can be important, particularly if you're selling direct mail to your clients. That way, different clients might be able to send to the same list or the same addresses. So I'm going to click Allow Duplicate Recipients. After that is List Scrubbing, which is a standard service that we provide clients, which doesn't allow them to send postcards to bad addresses. To disable that, you can click Disable List Scrubbing, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want my postcards to go to bad addresses. And lastly is the National Change of Address. You can enable this if you want us to automatically screen your lists with the NCOA database and automatically send your postcards to the updated addresses. So having broken down the 4 potential mailing settings with you, you have now set up your API account. And so I'm going to have you go to the top left and click on Overview. And from here, you'll be able to embark on connecting up the direct mail API to your platform and setting up orders. But that is for a future video, which you can be on the lookout for. In the meantime, feel free to contact Postcard Mania if you have any questions. But for now, goodbye.